Hello and welcome back to Flair's Homemade. I've been showing you how to enjoy my Zobo tea bags. Today I'm going to be making Zobo Chapman. It's going to be good. Well, I don't know, it's an experiment. It's my son's birthday celebrations today, so you can see the happy birthday sign. So we're in the experimentation mood. Let's see how it goes. Now, one of the key ingredients in a Chapman is a berry cordial of sorts, and that's what I'm going to be replacing with Zobo. So I'm going to make a very concentrated Zobo in an attempt to make a syrup of sorts that will replace berry cordial or Ribena. So I'm just going to go ahead, put my tea bag in a smaller cup than I've been using for the past couple of videos. So you can see it's a large tea cup, and then I'm going to top it with piping hot water, just about a cup, not too much. And then I'm going to let that steep. Once the hot water has gone into the tea bag, I'm going to put, it seems shocking, a whole cup of sugar. I know it seems like a lot, but trust me, we're trying to make a syrup that will eventually be diluted into about 2 liters of drink. So 1 cup of sugar to 1 cup of concentrated Zobo is about the right ratio. So I'm gonna try and dissolve the sugar as much as possible, and then I'll take it to the microwave and microwave it for a few seconds to allow the sugar to really dissolve into a syrup. So we're going to microwave the syrup for a little bit. So try 30 seconds first. So get that out, give it a stir. Give it another 30 seconds until you get to about 2 minutes. You want to monitor it very closely so that the bag doesn't burst. Right, so our Zobo syrup is cool enough. We're going to prep some of the garnish, and it's pretty much just lemon and cucumbers sliced into nice thin pieces. That's all that this is. I'm using waxed lemons just because you don't want any extra thing in your drink besides what you're putting in. There, and some cucumbers. With the garnish all done, let's mix the drink. We need about a cup of bitter lemon. And then a cup of Fanta, 2 cups of Fanta. 2 cups of Fanta, the regular Fanta orange. Now this is not a fit farm recipe, as you can tell, with all the sugary drinks that is going into it, but you knew that before you went for a Chapman recipe, didn't you? 2 cups of Fanta orange. Next, 2 cups of Sprite. We're almost there now. Here comes the ingredient that we've all been waiting for, Zobo. So this is our Zobo syrup, which I made with hot water and the Zobo tea bag earlier. Just gonna try not to spill it. There you are. The final ingredient is angostura, which is bitters. Just gonna give it a few drops and keep checking that you like the taste as you go along. A few drops in there, give it a stir. Have a taste. I think we're there. Oh my god, this is so good. Now you would have noticed that I didn't use grenadine and I didn't use any blackcurrant syrup. That's because I've replaced those 2 ingredients with my Zobo syrup, and I think it works just as well. This is really yummy. You should try it at home. Let me know how you found it. Once you're happy with the taste of your Chapman, in this case your Zobo Chapman, I'll recommend that you leave it for 2 hours to steep so that the cucumber and the lemon will sort of infuse into the drink, make it even that much better. But once it's done steeping, it's time to serve it into a glass filled with ice. And look at that color. Who would guess that there is no grenadine and no blackcurrant syrup in this drink? It looks just like the real thing. It tastes amazing. I promise, it tastes amazing. Do give it a try. Let me know how you find it. My Zobo tea bags are available to purchase in the link below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time with more recipes.